Hey guys, welcome back once again to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I made these gorgeous, cute braids, very demure. So without wasting time, let's get into the video. So I'm starting off with freshly washed hair. Yes, it's slightly blown out. Yes, but you can do so much better than me for easy management. I'm going to be using 4 packs of braiding hair. Yes, so I'm also going to be using my Lafresh hair wax, and I'm also applying some grease on the hair for easy management. Yes, so I apply gel on my hair and then braid with my hair. Like my hair is making the 3rd strand, as you're going to be seeing in the video. So checking to see if the braid is not too tight. We want it tight, but a reasonable amount of tight. We don't want to put like too much pressure on the scalp. Yes, so I continue braiding, and after I like get hair from both sides and then replace it where my hair was. You know, my hair was acting like, you know, like the third strand of the braid. So yes, I'm going to be showing you very clearly. So I secure the ends like 2 times. I tie 2 times. So I'm not braiding all the way down because I'm going to be making curls at the end. So yes, I'm going to let you watch the video and we will be back shortly. So I'm almost done, but the time, remember I'm using the natural light, yes, for my video. So I slept. Yes, I didn't finish my hair. Like I finished braiding, but I wanted to record how I do my curls. So that is how my hair looks in the morning. Yes, so we don't like cut your hair when you want to trim off the ends. Like don't trim them flat, just make like a slanting way so that to get that pointed curly end. Yes, so I first brush to get all of the tangles from the hair, and then I apply my ORSwrsp set and wrap mousse. If you don't have the set and wrap mousse, it is okay. The curls will come out as beautiful. So I wrap as you're seeing. twist and wrap, twist and wrap. Yes, I twist with my fingers and then wrap on my flexi rods. You can use straws, you can use sticks, you can use palm rods. Yes, so also use a rubber band to secure. And the good thing with the flexi rods, you can put hair like on both sides, for as you're seeing. So yes, secure the first with rubber bands and then add another braid as you're seeing. So it saves, like if you don't have so many flexi rods, you can use one flexi rod for 2 braids like that, and there will be enough. So when I'm done with the flax rods, I get a bucket, I add my leave-in conditioner. Yes, so that the curls come out juicy and moisturized. I also add water, but the other bucket was broken, so I transferred into another bucket as you're seeing. So dip and be very careful. Have a towel to hold your bucket. Yes, and then squeeze with a towel, so make sure not to burn yourself. Very mindful, very cutesy, very demure as you see in the video. So yes, so yes, I was done with the curls. I laid my edges, and then I'm going to be applying the mousse on my hair. So the purpose of the mousse is to like lay those flyaway hair, you know, the flyaway hair. So, and just set your mousse with a satin scarf. Yes, so you can let the flax rods dry, but normally when you go to the salon, they just remove them right away. So you do whatever works for you. And look at the curls, guys. The curls are giving exactly what they are supposed to be giving. Okay, so if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. I do DIY natural hair care, skincare remedies using natural ingredients. I do hair styling, I do hair braiding, feminine hygiene, like a little bit of everything, you know. A girl's girl. Look at those curls, guys. I mean, I like this hairstyle so much. So there are so many ways of braiding, of gripping, braids, the knotless, the like tying with a knot. So I prefer this braiding with my hair, and it doesn't look so bad. I mean, see, it doesn't look that bad. I actually love this look so much. So please try out. Okay, and you can style these braids in so many ways. You can style them whichever way you want. Okay, I'm loving this look already. Very demure, very cutesy, very mindful. Okay, yes. Yeah, so let me know what you think about this hairstyle in the comment section. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, okay? And don't forget to subscribe. Follow me on TikTok, follow me on Instagram, okay? Bye! I'll see you in my next video. Love you. Mwah.